What is mean by polynomial? Already we learned in the 9th class. I told you, but many are still an option, right? Yeah. Being basic the algebraic expression, term, variable, coefficient, degree. Algebraic expression, term, variable, coefficient, and degree. Let us learn one by one. Algebraic expression. It is a combination of terms. Assigning with plus and minus. Okay. Combination of terms assigning with plus and minus. Okay. And term is a combination of variable and number. Combination of number and variable. Assigning with into and division. Okay, did you get the concept? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఆల్జీబ్రా అంటే కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తాను మళ్ళీ. కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ అంటే డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ని కంబైన్ చేస్తే ఎట్లా కంబైన్ చేస్తావు? అడిషన్ తోని సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ తోని కంబైన్ చేయాలి మళ్ళీ. ఓకేనా? అర్థమైందా? అండ్ టర్మ్ ఇస్ ఏ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ number and variable. Number you can take any real number. Variable is nothing but we'll discuss next. Okay, number and variable assigning with and we make together multiplication or division. అంటే అడిషన్ డివిజన్ తోటి అడిషన్ తోటి మల్టిప్లికేషన్ తోటి కంబైన్ చేస్తే టర్మ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వేరియబుల్. ఇట్ ఇస్ an alphabet. Value is not fixed. Variable value is not fixed. It always changes. It varies according to the given number. Variable అనేది నంబర్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మారుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, and we can take in place of variable any alphabet A to Z. We can take any alphabet which is small alphabets అన్ని కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్? అయిపో. Next, coefficient is nothing but a multiple which is assigning to the variable. Once again, coefficient is a multiple which is assigning to the variable in the polynomial or algebraic expression. Okay, multiple assigning to the variable, right in bracket, term. Okay, term ki quotient separate untundi. Every term we have separate coefficient. We can discuss degree about later. Yeah, right. Let us make some examples here. For all the expressions, I'm making 2x square plus 3y. Okay, 2x square plus 3y is always expression. And 2x power minus 2 plus 5z. 2x power minus 2 plus 5z. It is also an algebraic expression. 2x power minus 2 plus minus 5z. It is also an algebraic expression. Okay, what are the terms? So this is separate term. 2x square is separate term. 3y is separate term. 2 power x minus separate term. Minus 5z is separate term. Right? So combination of these two terms is like this expression. Combination of these two terms is this expression. Okay, if you observe carefully, plus and minus, combination of terms assigning with plus and minus. So plus and minus separate the terms. Plus and minus separate the terms. And coming to here, term is a combination of number and variable. What is the operation? What is the operation between them? Okay, multiplication. One more 5 by z you take. This is also always term. So here this 5 and z are having division operation between them, and here it is multiplication. Right? Clear? Doubt em ledha inka term lo? Terms ni plus తోని గాని addition తో గాని subtraction తో గాని కంబైన్ చేస్తే ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అవుతది. అండ్ టర్మ్ మేక్ చేయాలంటే ఒక నంబర్ గాని ఒక వేరియబుల్ తీసుకొని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అన్న డివిజన్ అన్న ఆపరేషన్ పెడితే టర్మ్ అవుతది. అండ్ వేరియబుల్ x y z, what are the variables we have here? x y z తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ. You can take any others also, okay? And the coefficient, see in these terms this 2 is a coefficient of x square, 2 is a coefficient of 3 is a coefficient of 2 is a coefficient of x power minus 2, minus 5 is the coefficient of z. What is the coefficient of this z? 5 by z, 5 by z we can write 5 into 1 by z, which we can write again 5 into z power minus 1. Yeah, the coefficient of z is 5. Okay, clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Shall I erase this? Right. Right down. No? Monomial is a okay. If an algebraic expression having only one term and the power should be in positive, then it is called a monomial. Got it? Which has only one term. Okay, which has only one term is called monomial. And the examples for that 2x cube, 5x square, and 3z, and root 2t, okay, so on. Okay, all these are monomials, right? Next heading, degree of the monomial. Degree of the monomial. జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలా, ఎక్సైజ్ అయిపోయినాక బోలం కావద్దంటే. డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ది మోనోమియల్. సో ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ వేరియబుల్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ is called degree, right? Involved variable exponent or power. Right? So what is the exponent of what is the power degree of this polynomial? I mean this degree of this monomial. What is the degree of this? What is the degree of this? What is the degree of this? Anna? 1, because p is the variable power is 1, right? Nothing is there means 1 we have, right? Clear? Any doubts in this? Take down fast. We'll discuss one more concept. Right now, see next one. The next concept is right. We shall get into polynomial. Polynomial. An algebraic expression is said to be polynomial. An algebraic expression is said to be a polynomial if the involved variable should contain non-negative integers as the exponent. Not always polynomial is the first algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions lo వేరియబుల్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతాయి కదా, ఆ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయిన వేరియబుల్స్ ఓన్లీ నాన్ నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ మాత్రం కలిగి ఉంటేనే అది పాలినామియల్. నాన్ నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ మీన్స్ it is not negative and it is an integer only, it means positive integers. Okay, and zero is also included. Okay, got it? You need a definition. Okay, an algebraic expression said to be polynomial if the involved variable should contain non-negative integer as exponent or power is called polynomial. Okay, I'll give some examples and out of them find out which is polynomial, which is not. Yeah, find out which is polynomial, which is not, which is a polynomial, which is not a polynomial. Right, so these three are not polynomials. Okay, suppose if this y is not here, then it is a polynomial. Okay, clear? Any doubt? So only this one is the polynomial now. Remaining two are not polynomials. And look at your textbook. It is an algebraic expression but not a polynomial because the second term, in the second term the variable x is having negative exponent. Negative one as an exponent, so it is failed to satisfy the polynomial condition. Like that you have to write. Okay, yeah, that is about, do this and complete that. Let us see here polynomial in one variable. What is mean by one variable? In the polynomial only one variable should be present. If it is more than one, if it is two, polynomial in two variables. If it is three, polynomial in three variable. Okay, so our syllabus is polynomials in one variable only, but in the degree of the polynomial you may ask different types of variables in the given polynomial. Okay, ఒక degree లో మాత్రం degree question లో, I mean degree of the polynomial question లో different ఇస్తాడు. ఓకేనా, రైట్. సో square plus 2x plus 3 y square plus root 2y plus 4 and y square 2t square and t plus 4, so on are the polynomials in one variable. By the example first, of the polynomial very important in entrance as well, final exam also. Just now I told you involved variable. Okay, suppose we have a polynomial, in that we have different number of terms. First we look into the individual term degree, then which is the highest degree is called, which is the highest, then that is the degree of that polynomial. Did you get? Suppose see 3x square plus 4x plus 1. What is the degree of this term? Degree of this term? Degree of this term? There is no variable, so it is 0. Okay, which is the highest one? So therefore, degree of 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equals to 2. Clear? Any doubts? Yes. So the first we count individual degree for terms. Then after, which is the highest one, that we take as the degree of the that polynomial. Okay. Any doubts, Anna? We get one more example. Suppose see 4x square y plus 2xy plus 2x is a polynomial. Is it a polynomial? Yeah, it is a polynomial in two variables. It is a polynomial in what about the degree of this polynomial? Degree of the first term. Degree of the first term. The two variables, right? So exponent of the x is 2, y is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 is the degree of the first term. You may ask this kind of question in the multiple choice. And coming to this, exponent of the x term 1, y term, sorry, y is 1. So that is 2. Exponent of x is 1, y is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 is the degree of this particular term. And this one is 1. Okay, which is the highest? So degree of this polynomial is? Any doubts? So degree is, got it? Any doubts, Nana?